Okay guys, so this is going to be campfire cookery, and I'm going to spit roast some lamb, and got some pita breads and some salad, some chilli sauce, and we're going to have Londonised lamb kebabs. Got the idea from a friend, so I thought I'd try it out and see how I go. I'm going to spit roast this bad boy here. Sweet. I've left the fat on the lamb so that it protects the meat inside. Just hope my string holds out. I'm gonna roast this bad boy good. This is totally awesome. Can't wait to eat this. This lamb is so sexy. As you can see, I've already started snacking on it. It's amazing. Even with the fat all crispy, it just melts in your mouth. Oh my god, I'm in heaven. Okay guys, I've just put my pita breads on for my kebab. Lamb's done totally. I can't stop nibbling on it. Tomato chutney, sweet chilli. I can't burn my shit. Fuck. Okay. Take 2 on the pita breads. I'm gonna watch these like a hawk and not get distracted this time. There you go, guys. Traditional Londonised lamb kebabs. Oh yeah. This is totally awesome in every single way.